Guys, good morning. Soon guys, may mapipisa na. Ito yung inahin guys. Yellow-legged Dutch, Boston Roundhead from Eagle Game Farm. Intact yung ano guys, yung wing band at saka yung leg band. Guys. Ito yung ginamit ko guys, yung Raptor para sa broodcock. Hope na maganda yung kalalabasan ng ano guys, ng mga sisiw guys. % expectation ko guys nito. Kasi ang ganda. Thank you.